Please help. I have a Ryzen 5700G paired with an RX 6600 XT. What would be a good upgrade for my GPU? Honestly, it's already a pretty nice balanced system. I would say if you're gaming at 1440p, you could pick something up like a used RX 6800 or an RTX 3070 for a solid upgrade without much of a bottleneck. But here's what I'd do. I'd actually sell the 5700G and grab a Ryzen 5700X 3D. For a little extra, you'll get a huge performance boost thanks to the massive 3D V cache. Plus, you can pretty much then scale to any GPU on the market without significant bottlenecks. Tell me, what would you pair the 5700G